How to enable apps permission on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app, and at the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Click on the profile. This type of page appear. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Now click on the settings and the privacy here, and you can see there is an option of the security. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now there is an option of the manage app permission. You can view your app permission, that which app have been done on TikTok and allowed and which can be removed. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.